Hello everyone and welcome back. Castor oil is a versatile oil extracted from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant. This natural medicine has been used for centuries. Today we'll talk about 10 amazing castor oil hacks you need to know. First off, castor oil is a natural moisturizer. If you've got dry skin, just dab a little castor oil on the rough spots and watch the magic happen overnight. You'll wake up with baby soft skin. Next, let's talk hair growth. Mix castor oil with coconut oil and massage it into your scalp. This combo can help promote hair growth and give you those luscious locks you've always dreamed of. Plus, it moisturizes the scalp and reduces dandruff. Got chapped lips? Castor oil to the rescue. A tiny drop on your lips can keep them hydrated and smooth. Say goodbye to cracked, painful lips. Speaking of smooth, castor oil works wonders on eyebrows and eyelashes. Apply a thin layer before bed and you'll notice thicker, fuller brows and lashes in no time. It's like a natural lash serum. Next up, joint pain relief. Warm up some castor oil and massage it into sore joints. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help relieve pain and stiffness. Perfect for those who love their workouts but hate the aftermath. Let's not forget about acne. Castor oil has antibacterial properties that can help fight acne-causing bacteria. Apply it to the affected areas, leave it overnight, and wash it off in the morning. Your skin will thank you. Now, if you're struggling with constipation, castor oil might be the solution. It's been used as a natural laxative for ages. But remember, always consult a doctor before taking it internally. How about a natural remedy for sunburn? Castor oil can soothe and heal sunburned skin. Mix it with aloe vera for an extra cooling effect. It's like a mini spa treatment for your sun-parched skin. For those with stretch marks, castor oil can help with that too. Regularly massaging it into the skin can reduce the appearance of stretch marks over time. It's a slow but steady process. Finally, let's talk about nails. If you've got brittle nails, castor oil can strengthen them. Just rub a small amount into your nails and cuticles daily. You'll notice stronger, healthier nails in a few weeks. So there you have it. 10 amazing hacks with castor oil that'll make you wonder why you didn't know about them sooner. Try them out and let me know which one's your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more health tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. And remember, castor oil is a natural remedy with a multitude of uses. Always do your research and consult with a healthcare professional if you're unsure. With regular use, you'll see the benefits of this amazing oil. It's a small addition to your routine that can make a big difference. Share these tips with your friends and family, and let's spread the word about the wonders of castor oil. From skin to hair to overall wellness, castor oil is truly a versatile and beneficial oil. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next video.